Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Alice Rita. To all new and returning subscribers, I'm glad you are here. Today, I'm going to show you how to create an email signature. So today I'm going to be using the Outlook email to show you how to create your own signature for your email. So every new email, if you design to create a new email, you always have your signature ready. And this signature also, I will show you how to make it so that if you click on the logo in the signature, it can lead you to our website. So let's get started. So I'm going to go to I'm using a MacBook laptop. So here I'll go to preference. If you are using a window, from the window you can go to account. So here I'm going to go to system preference. Outlook. I'll click on the Outlook and I'm going to click on preference. This is going to open up this page, and then I'm going to click on the signature. So with the signature, because I've already created a signature for this particular email, I'm going to be using another email. Let me use my university email. I'm going to be creating, let me click add. So when you click add, you have this on title, and I've changed it that it's going to be my university email. And so you have this blank page, and if you want to, you can customize it as you want it to be. So now I'm Dr. Esiola Alice. So I would love to have this as bolding, as a bold signature. So I'm going to click that, make it bold, enter the next line. I finished from University of Exeter, and since this is my University of Exeter email, I'm going to look for University of Exeter. So here I have the logo for the University of Exeter. So I'm just going to copy this, the link, and at the same time I'm going to search for bioscience. So I'm going to add my university. I'm in the College of Bioscience and Life and Environmental Sciences. So I'll click this and leave it open. So remember, I've copied the logo. I'm just going to come here, paste the logo. This is the logo for the University of Exeter. Let me try and crop it so that I remove the excess. So it's the same you are going to do for your email. If you have your logo, just paste that. Currently, this logo is not clickable. So how do I then make it that it will be clickable? I'm going to reduce the size of that logo. So let me zoom into the signature I'm designing. So I'm going to zoom this in to fit exactly with my name. If you click on this logo, currently it's not clickable. So how do you then make it that this logo can be clicked and it will take you to a web page? So I'm going to right click on this logo and click on link. And then I'm going to go to the university page, which is the University of Exeter Bioscience. I'll just copy that, copy the link, and then paste it. Remember what I've done. First, I click on the logo, I right click on it, I select the function that says link, and now I'm going to paste the link in the address, and I'm just going to click OK. So now if you click on this logo, can you see that it's showing the, if you bring your cursor to the logo, it's showing the link. So if I click on this logo now, it will bring me to this page. That's how to insert a clickable logo in your email. And if I want to still type something here, I can decide to, okay, let me just type here, university. So I was a PhD candidate at the University of Exeter. So I just leave that as PhD candidate. I'm going to make that not bold. And first, add a breaking line to the email so that that's where the email is going to finish. So you can decide to do this so that you have this line break, which I'm also going to make it not bold. So you have that line break. And If you love to add your phone number, you can decide to add your phone number. I'm just going to type some random number. That's not my number, so you cannot call me. And make that also not bold. So when you're content with the logo that you've created, it's best that you should use high resolution of your logo when you're making a clickable logo. So if you are content with the way this currently look like, I should bring this down. Let's put this just under here. So imagine this is my logo. I've created my signature and I'm content. I'm going to close this and I'm going to click save. This will bring me back to this page where we have the signature that we've created. And in order for you to ensure that this signature is going to show on every new email you are going to write, in this new email function, you need to select that, yes, every new email should contain the title. And also when you reply to an email, that you should tick it from none, you should change this to the title. So imagine if I change this on title, if I change the name to Exeter, so that way it's easier. So imagine, so when you click, if you don't tick from none to Exeter, when you try to create a new email, it might not have the signature. That's why you have to click that the new email should have the Exeter signature, and when you reply, it should have the Exeter signature. So with this, I'm going to close this and then try to create, this is my Exeter email. So now I'm going to try and click on new email, and you can see that it has the Exeter email. Similarly, if I go to my office email, if I click new email, can you see that it has the signature email from my current office address? And each of these logo are clickable. So if you click on it, it will take you to the website for the Twitter handle for TSL. So that's how to create clickable logo. It's easy, and I hope you find my tutorial straightforward. If you need help troubleshooting anything, please write to me in the comment section and I'll be happy to help. Until next time, bye.